Good morning, dear friends. I wanted to send this note out to you as a pastoral update, specifically looking at our liturgy and worship life here at Grace. We are beginning to look at first steps of what it would look like to move back into small group in-person gatherings in the nave. And as you can imagine, there are many details to hold on what that will look like. So I wanted to send this note out to you as a step one for us as a parish. And I have a question that I need to ask you, and I'd like to open up the time this week for anyone who is interested, when the time comes to move back to small group gatherings in the nave. We need to know how many people actually want to look at that. So, and once we know that total number, then the team can then take that and figure out the best way to manage in terms of how many people we can fit in the nave at a time. And based on that will be in terms of a weekly cycle. For instance, if 120 of you, counting children and all, want to come back when that time comes, and we can only fit 40 people in the nave, then the staff will know that we need to work toward putting together a plan for a 3-week cycle. So to be able to start this process, we need to know how many people might want to come back. So it's exciting in the sense that we're looking at this first step. So I want to invite you this week to go online to our website and complete that form and send it back and let us know how many are interested in doing this. And from there, I'll be in touch with you and I'll let you know in terms of what we decide is the best particular system that we'll put in place to manage our small group worship times in the nave when that time comes. While I have you, I also want to take a moment and thank Cynthia and Cheryl for their extraordinary work with the recent webinar. These conversations that they have hosted and that so many of you have shared in are vitally important for us as a parish in these days. We're approaching 3 months being in this particular pattern of our common life. And I know it's been a difficult time for many. And I also know it's been a time for some where they have experienced a deepening of their faith, and I want to honor that as well. So thank you for all of those who have given so much and have shared in these conversations. In that same note, I also want to commend to you a new Tuesday morning class at 10 a.m. that I'll be leading on Zoom. You can find a link on the parish website. The purpose of this class, it'll be about 45 minutes long each Tuesday morning, and we'll start and just plan on 8 weeks. But I hope to offer a space where we can reflect theologically and prayerfully over this shared time that we have had these past almost 3 months. We'll look at different conversation partners and also have a chance to dig a little deeper into our practices of prayer and ask ourselves what is sustaining us in these days. So just a brief update for you to send out on this Monday. If you'll reply back in terms of if you're interested in coming to an in-person gathering, like I said, you can find that link on our website. Just send us a total number of all from your household who will be coming, where we get an adequate count, and we'll be in touch with you from there as to what the details will be. Bless you all this week. I hope you're doing well, and we'll see you soon.